Alright, today we're going to bring an HDMI LED strip for your TV. It comes with the actual manual that you see here, and the manual has the actual application you're going to need to download it. Now, it does need your HDMI connection if you're playing PlayStation or any other devices, because it needs to know exactly the color coordination that is going to require for the TV. So I'm going to set this up right now and see how it works. Now, you could cut these down if they're too long, alright, and they do give you attachments for cable management and the one HDMI and the actual box that does require power, HDMI in, HDMI out, and that's pretty much it. On and off button. I'm going to set it up and see how it looks. So this one, we're going to actually set this up in back of it too. So we're going to set it up on our TV here. Okay, so we got our HDMI box, and the way it connects, one says right here at the bottom, HDMI in. This goes to the actual system, either PlayStation or DVR or DVD. And then the other one goes to Alta TV. We set up a box, we plug in here. We have everything set up here. The cable all around, we did cable management. We just powered on. Everything came out blue right now, but we're gonna use the controller. In order to get this going, you have to turn it off and on a couple times, 3 or 4 times, and then these lights start blinking. As soon as they're blinking, that means it's syncing up. Then you're able to do it from here. So we have it set up on our phone already when it's done. And from here, you can control it with Alexa, Google Home, and all sorts of things. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and set up, make sure that we have the strip. Right now, I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to turn off the light here so you guys can see. We have the strip. We could change the colors manually, if you guys can see that. Green, red, and so forth. We got all that stuff going here. And then they have different things, like if you want to change this, you could turn off the lights too, completely off, and you could turn them back on. You could do music. If you're talking, like right now I'm talking, if you guys can see that, it's just me talking on this system. And then we could go with different types of colors, if you guys can see that. All right, so we're turning on PlayStation right now. We're gonna see what we can do. We had to go in the app and push replay, and if you guys can see, we're playing this. All right, and it's gonna change lighting right now. This one, look at that. Look at the lighting in there, showing you where it is. See the lighting? Look at the light. Look at that. So you're watching movies, it gets very dramatic. I'll show you the TV a little bit. Look at that. Just gonna demo you guys. We're playing a game here, but look at the lighting of the grass. You can see in the back. So if you're playing a video game, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is awesome. In order to connect your PlayStation 5 into the system, you are going to need a 2.1 HDMI, both ends, going to the TV and also to PlayStation. Now, one thing I did run into, it was shutting off the actual powers. Just make sure you're aware of that prior to setting up your PlayStation 5. But everything else works wonderful. Even if you connect your phone to it or your existing TV, it will work great. So very simple to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.